you want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Today, in this video, we are going to be talking about one of the most iconic and intriguing cards in the tarot deck, the Fool. We would explore the symbolism and meaning behind the Fool tarot card. The Fool represents new beginnings, spontaneity, and trusting the journey ahead. We will dive into the rich imagery of the card, including the cliff, the dog, and the knapsack, and discuss how the Fool's energy can inspire us to take leaps of faith and embrace the unknown. Whether you're new to tarot or a seasoned reader, this in-depth analysis of the Fool will provide valuable insights and help you connect with the card on a deeper level. The Fool is often depicted as a young man or woman, carefree and unburdened, standing at the edge of a cliff with a small bag slung over their shoulder. But what does this card really mean? Let's dive in and find out. The Fool is the first card in the Major Arcana, and it represents new beginnings, fresh starts, and taking a leap of faith. When the Fool appears in a reading, it often suggests that the querent is about to embark on a new journey or adventure, or a new chapter in your life, and that they should trust their instincts and take a risk. The dog at the Fool's heels represents loyalty and protection, reminding us that even when we take risks and step into the unknown, we are not alone. The Fool's bag or pouch represents the potential and possibilities that lie ahead, and the white rose in their hand represents purity and innocence. The Fool is often associated with the element of air, representing the mind and intellect. This card encourages us to think outside the box, to be open to new ideas and perspectives, and to trust our intuition. The Fool is not just about blind optimism, it's also about being open to new experiences and learning from them. The Fool is not afraid to make mistakes or look foolish, because they know that every experience is a chance to grow and learn. So there you have it, the Fool card in a nutshell. To revise it, the Fool tarot card represents new beginnings, adventure, and taking risks. It encourages us to step out of our comfort zones, to embrace the unknown, and to trust in the journey ahead. So, if you're feeling stuck or stagnant in your life, take a cue from the Fool and take a leap of faith. Who knows where it might lead you?
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.